So for today, what we're working on is on a 2014 Kia Forte. So this Kia Forte, it's coming in because the client that brought it in said that max velocity was around 40 miles per hour, which after the guys did the diagnostic, they determined that it was the catalytic converter that needed replacement. This right here is the catalytic converter and everything it is connected to. We're letting you guys see everything before it is disassembled and put back together. And here are the brand new parts we're going to be putting into the Kia Forte. Time to take it all apart. This right here is where the O2 sensor goes. First O2 sensor, second O2 sensor.